News coming in from Karnataka where JDS candidates have been announced and HD Devegowda has announced the name of the candidates. That is right. And these are the names coming in for you. We are seeing Kolar, Malesh Babu, Mandya, HD Kumaraswamy and Hassan, Prajwal Revanna. These are names coming in right now. Republic TV about the candidates which have been announced by the JDS. On your screen are these important names flashing. These are the JDS candidates which will be going ahead, and they will be contesting from these constituencies. That is right. Top update coming on Republic TV viewers. Remember that this is coming in as the JDS was supposed to announce the candidate list from multiple constituencies, and now what we see, viewers, is that the top update coming in Republic TV that these three Karnataka seats in Lok Sabha elections, the JDS was supposed to contest in these three Karnataka seats, and what we see right now are that these three seats, the candidates have been announced already. Now, remember, the JDS was supposed to be contesting in these three seats in Karnataka in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections as part of the BJP-led NDA, and the three seats are Hassan and Mandya and Kolar. So these are the three seats, and we have the names already of those candidates who will be contesting from these three seats. Top update coming on Republic TV viewers, and as we keep getting more updates, let us tell you exactly what is happening. Remember that this coming in as the BJP has also announced its first list of 20 candidates for the upcoming elections in Karnataka, which has a total of 28 constituencies. So this is what we're learning of right now, Republic TV, where we are seeing that the announcement has been made of those candidates. They are the part of the BJP-JDS alliance, and those visuals as well on your screen coming in as the JDS has released its poll list. Top update coming on Republic TV viewers, and we are getting top updates. Republic TV is the nation's election headquarters where we keep getting you top updates coming in. And not just that, viewers, let's tell you that three seats have been announced, and the names are also out of those contestants. So we have three seats which have been announced. So we have Kolar, Malesh Babu, we have Mandya, HD Kumaraswamy, Hassan, Prajwal Revanna. Let's go straight to my colleague Prajwal, who's joining us at this point of time. And Prajwal, if you could take our viewers through, what we can expect in terms of the announcements of these seats. Now, we know that some of these seats, it's not a surprise coming in, because we knew that that Prajwal Revanna contesting from Hassan was very much expected. Mandya, HD Kumaraswamy, take us through, is this a surprise coming in, or these seats and the candidates have been matched as per the expectations?
You know, it was nothing deliberate here. The only thing was about the Kolar Lok Sabha constituency here, Rakshita, because Hassan, they had a sitting JDS MP in the form of Mr. Prajwal Revanna as well. So absolutely, all said and done now, we will need to go ahead and look into it as to, how they will go on and take it, because this particular announcement has come in now from the JDS Supremo and the former Prime Minister of India, HD Devegowda, making this particular announcement. He's also gone ahead and announced HD Kumaraswamy's name from Mandya, even before the JDS state president, who is also incidentally his son, Mr. HD Kumaraswamy, could announce it. The JDS Supremo has made this announcement in Hassan as well, and therefore now it is being confirmed that it will be Mr. HD Kumaraswamy from Mandya too, and apart from which we are also looking at Malesh Babu. In Kolar, as I was earlier stating, there were mainly three potential candidates in the form of Nisarga Narayan Swamy there, and also Mr. Malesh Babu and Samruddhi Manjunath. And who would it go to? Because Samruddhi Manjunath had openly gone ahead and stated that whoever the candidate might be, all the JDS party workers and the cadres will work together and will go on to support it. And seems like the JDS state leadership have also decided on the same, and they have finally agreed that Malesh Babu will be given a ticket. So therefore, now the former Prime Minister of India, Mr. HD Devegowda, going ahead and making this all-important announcement. And even as we are speaking about this all-important announcement, let's also go across these visuals. All these JDS cadres, supporters still standing outside, even for the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, HD Kumaraswamy, to go ahead and make this official statement, so that it will be coming in from the party president in itself. So all of them are still waiting out here in large numbers. We are also seeing that the JDS candidate for the 2023 Assembly elections, who was fielded from Yashwantpur, Mr. Javrai Gowda, coming out after this all-important meeting. So the meeting is still underway, focusing where the meeting is going on. As my video journalist Bhagat is bringing this in, we are seeing that all the leaders of the core committee of the JDS party are also going ahead and walking out from the residence as well. So all said and done, it's been made. The announcement has been made by H.D. Devegowda himself. We are waiting for the chairman of the core committee member, Mr. G.T. Devegowda, also to come in and make this formal announcement. Whether H.D. Kumaraswamy will be addressing the media at this point of time is still not known, because definitely emotions are running quite high with the JDS cadres out here who are accumulating in large numbers to go ahead and congratulate H.D. Kumaraswamy for making the shift from the state politics to the central politics out there, Shivangi.
All right. Thank you, Prajul, for getting us all the details coming in. Let's go ahead and play out the reactions coming in on Republic on this big story.
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಮಂಡ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಜನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸಭೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಠ. ಏನು ಇದು
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು ಮಂಡ್ಯದಿಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಅವರಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜನ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಜನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸಭೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಠ. ಏನು